This is a sophisticated piece of decorative Italian porcelain designed as a charming Rococo Revival coffee grinder figurine. The object is classified as a top-shelf decorative collectible that is highly sought after by those who value ornate European figural design. This two-piece porcelain figurine is masterfully molded to resemble a decorative antique coffee mill, with the entire body covered in elaborate, high-relief scrollwork and delicate Rococo accents. A key highlight is the hand-sculpted pink rose with leaves, centrally placed on the mill's top platform. The piece is part of the tradition, utilizing the crowned N mark, a symbol widely associated with the CAPODIMONTE style of porcelain. Produced during the mid-20th century, this figurine reflects the successful post-war strategy to leverage Italy's famous artistic heritage for international commerce, and its intrinsic worth lies in the meticulous craftsmanship and the delicacy of the intact high-relief rose. Wall Antiques, executive-approved artifacts, curated by Katz, your shelf awaits.